A question to both of you. Can you help us understand, like, if someone wants to be very good when it comes to branding, designing, marketing, and all, what are like some YouTube channels that they should follow? What are some free courses that they can do? What are some best books that they can read?
Why Fonts Matter by Sarah Hinman is one of my favorite books in terms of typography. It has typography terminology on the last page. If you go second last page पे सारे terminology है. X height क्या होता है, baseline क्या होता है. These things will not matter, but these are just some jargons जो आपको पढ़ने होते हैं. Just some rules. It's like your Bible if you want to learn typography. जस्ट पढ़ के मेमोराइज करके बस रख दो, कहीं ना कहीं आपको आगे जाके काम आएगा. इवन टू एक्सप्लेन टू अ क्लाइंट कि लोगो अच्छा क्यों नहीं लग रहा है, आप क्यों बोलोगे कि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, ऐसे थोड़ी ना बोलोगे. यू विल गिव सम टर्मिनोलॉजीज. तो वहाँ पे ऑल दी स्मॉल थिंग्स रियली मैटर. अगर दो प्रोडक्ट पैकेजिंग आसपास सामने रखा हुआ है बट उनकी पोजिशनिंग ही अलग ही है, एक को लग्जरी में केटर कर रहा है, एक एवरीडे यूज के लिए केटर कर रहा है. सो हाउ टाइपोग्राफी चेंजेस दैट. सो ऑल दैट इज एक्सप्लेन वेरी नाइसली इन दिस बुक. Then there is this book called How To by Michael Beru. He is an exceptionally crazy good designer. I really look up to him. He is actually, I think, good friends with Paula Scher also. Like, I've seen them in a lot of videos and working together on multiple projects. Michael Beirut has done some incredible work, and a lot of designs which you see when you go to the US, almost a lot of them are done by him. Very good book if you want to understand what goes into a branding project, how problems are creatively solved. All that is explained very well in that book. And one which I always recommend is by Austin Kleon, or Still Like an Artist, or कौन से थे दो. This is a combination of those three books जो square shape में है. Should I say I'm not good at books? So yeah, I mean, you can just pop it up somewhere. You're in the screen. Austin Kleon के 3 books. These are a must. Like, you should read this. Very good. Then there is this guy called Alan Peters. He's really popped up on the internet now, and he makes logos and brand identities. उसका एक book है Logos That Matters, ऐसा करके कुछ नाम है. ऑरेंज कलर का बुक है. Logos That Last ऐसा करके है. Then there is this designer called James Martin. Very good guy. Has a very big beard and very full like the.
You recently met him, right?
James. No. I met
The big weird guy.
I met Aaron Draplin.
Okay.
Aaron Draplin, exceptionally, he's one of the most renowned designers in the entire world. He is so popular, so famous. He is the creator, he's the founder of DDC, Draplin Design Company, and बहुत top brands के logo उसने बनाया है. He also has a book, but the one I'm talking about, James Martin, he runs this company called Draplin Design Company, and his journey from being I think a college dropout, going to army, or like whatever, like his journey is incredibly and very inspiring. It shows you that not everyone is born with a silver spoon, या फिर जितने बड़े बड़े designers देखते हो, not everyone comes from the same background. लोग कहाँ से आते हैं, कहाँ से creativity आती है, where do they come from? Like even Krishna is from such a different background, came from such a different background, you know. So it's very, very incredible and inspiring to see all these designers. And yeah, I think
Many YouTube channels.
a lot of YouTube channels.
And Jen.
I started uploading and be consistent and talk about what goes into a branding project, how we do actual branding. A lot of the client work which I show on my YouTube channel are real projects which we do, how all the behind the scenes which I do, because ये behind the scenes आप तभी learn कर पाओगे जब आप मेरी company में काम करोगे. But that I'm taking a step further and creating videos for that, because for people who I cannot hire because of the skill set, because of where they live, for all those things, those videos I make for them because they can still learn जहाँ पर भी वो बैठे हो, इंडिया के कोई भी कोने में बैठे हो, they can still learn what we do in the small office in Mumbai which we have for brands globally. So one, obviously my YouTube channel, you can subscribe. Thanks for that. There is this creator called Satori Graphics. He talks about the principles of graphic design. He talks about what it takes to be a designer, be it motion graphics, be it UI UX design, all those small things about layout, composition, hierarchy, visual contrast, small details which you need to learn as a designer. Like these are like your ABCD. अगर आप बोलो, अगर आप इंग्लिश सीखना है तो लेटर्स तो सीखोगे, vocabulary सीखोगे, ग्रामर सीखोगे. तो this is all for graphic design, है ना. Now if you tell me, Kushal, if you show me a website and if you tell me like कि इसमें क्या सही नहीं है, I will explain to you कि इसका composition सही नहीं है, इसमें hierarchy सही नहीं है, इसमें typography सही नहीं है, and to be सही नहीं है, I can explain you that also. That's very important as a skill you need to have as a designer to be able to explain what's right, what's not wrong, what's not working, and why it is not working. And to be able to justify also what you do, it's very, very important. To have a knowledge of all this is very important. So that is a very good YouTube channel. Then the one channel which I really learned not only design but business knowledge from is Chris Do, one of my mentors, one of the people I really look up to. I had the privilege to meet him not only once but 3 times. And I met him in Dubai, I met him in Miami, I met him in his own hometown, which is LA. I literally met him where he used to live and be in the streets. I met him there. So I was privileged enough to meet him and I learned a lot from him. He teaches the business side of design, which I think Krishna will also be able to explain in a much better way. So yeah, then there is this creator called Abby Connick. She is another designer like me. She's a little bit more experienced right now. She's shifted to location and doing brand design and stuff like that. Her way of explaining, her way of storytelling and working with clients is very, very good and really nice. And yeah, I would say these are the few channels which I used to watch when I used to learn designing, and they have really helped me and shaped me into being a designer I am today.
And any free courses that you recommend people to take?
I would recommend to not take any free course. I'll tell you the reason, because free course में ऐसा नहीं कि value नहीं है. YouTube videos free होते हैं at the end of the day unless you buy the premium. If you pay as a minimum of 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees या 1,500 rupees for a course, भले ही हो paid हो, it's very important because एक accountability होती है. When you are learning graphic design, obviously आपके पास clients हो रहे नहीं, because you are learning graphic design. You will not have your own money. Okay, you will either borrow money from your parents or जितना आपके पास होगा पैसा, you'll invest into that. So you have the responsibility of learning the most out of it. अगर कोई चीज़ आपको free मिल रही है, आप उसको value कभी नहीं करते हो. If I give you something for free, वो पड़ा रहेगा किधर और, you will not value. But if you purchase something, भले वो कितना भी छोटा हो, you will still have some value to it. So you will religiously follow it and learn it, and then you would get better at it. So I would recommend 100. मैंने invest किया पैसे in courses. Skillshare पे मैंने courses खरीदे, Coursera पे खरीदे. Only after buying those courses, I was very religiously following it because I know पैसे गए भले जितने भी हो. My dad has given me money for that. I have to make the most out of it. I cannot exploit it.
But which one do you think was the best course?
Skillshare was really good for designer, and it is still good for designers. So Creative People's Skillshare is a very good platform for courses, I would say.
Okay, and any specific course from?
Cheryl Lupton has a very good course in Skillshare about grid designing. Ellie Lupton is also a very good designer. I think she lives in New York from there. And yeah, वहाँ के लोग में design sense काफी अच्छा होता है. काफी international they represent, and the way of communication, the way they speak, the way they tackle design, and the way they solve problems, it's very interesting. And I learned a lot from people out there, especially, and try to apply it to it, teach people here.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.